Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer photos with Flickr easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Flickr website. Sign into your Flickr account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, go to your photo library by clicking on You in the top navigation bar. Select the photos you want to transfer by clicking the checkbox on each image. If you want to select multiple photos at once, hold down the Shift key while clicking. After selecting the desired photos, look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click on the download icon to initiate the download process. You'll see a prompt asking for the photo sizes you want to download. Choose your preferred size and confirm the download. The selected photos will be compressed into a zip file and downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Locate the zip file and right-click on it to extract its contents. Select Extract All to unzip the folder. After extraction, you will find your photos in the specified location. If you wish to upload these photos to another platform, log in to that platform's website. Click on the Upload button or option, usually located in the top right corner. Select the extracted photos from your Downloads folder. Follow the prompts to complete the upload process. Review your uploaded photos to ensure everything transferred correctly. You have successfully transferred your photos using Flickr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.